Sri Lanka, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Darlene SL. So guys, today is October 22 and I'm now currently 36 weeks pregnant. I'm really excited to show you my hospital list. So guys, I'm going to show you my hospital list. And by the way, I'm going to Ahumagama General Hospital, so they will give you this list, which is only allowed for us to bring into the hospital. So first is a baby frocks. So guys, in Philippines, it's not like this. We have a different kind of frocks. So in Sri Lanka, this is how it looks like. So we need 10 pieces of this. And nappies. In Philippines, we call it lampin. Okay? So we need 15 pieces of this. It should be clearly ironed, washed and ironed. And next, guys, is a baby towel. So baby towel, guys, we should have a 100% pure cotton. So that is really required for babies. So we need 2 pieces of this. So and this one, guys, is to wrap the baby for them to feel hot all the time. So I have also 2 pieces of this. And this one, guys, is a raw material. Okay? This is for the bed. We need this one and one of the bed sheet. Should be white also for the bed sheet. And guys, this is the cloth we need to wear. This is all required in Sri Lanka, that we need to wear this kind of cloth. With the matching blouse. This one, it looks like this. The blouse looks like this. So it's easy for the nurses to remove it during the process. So we have 4 sets of this cloth and 4 sets of the blouse, guys. And one more thing, we need 1 set color white. There should be 1 set of color white with matching this one. So guys, this is also the napkin. So this is how it looks like with loop. So to use this napkin, we need a ribbon to loop the waist. Okay? Then this one is required a medicine, Onima enema. So this is also required for us to bring 4 bags for your dirty clothes or for your garbage. So umbilical cord clamp. So 1 of this also. 1 of the blade. Nappy clips. And 1 thermometer to measure the baby's temperature. And one last thing, guys, baby wool set. So this 1 of this, a cap for feet, and 1 of this. So this is really required. In leaving the hospital, baby should wear this. And lastly, the basket. So in Sri Lanka, guys, we are really required to use this basket. Anywhere, some countries, they can use bags. But for us, we use basket here so that it's easy for the nurses to identify which one is for the mom's things and which one is for the babies. So that's all, guys, for the hospital list. And if you like my first video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So thank you for watching, guys. At sa mga Pilipinong nanonood, salamat. Bye!